everyone, today we are going to be doing the lattice method. The lattice method is a strategy used to multiply multi-digit numbers. So today we will be multiplying a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. 37 times 42. Now in order to set up our grid, we need a 2x2 grid, which kind of just looks like a window. So we'll set that up here just like a window. And next is the diagonals. When we draw our diagonals, we always go from right to left, and we always go from corner to corner and then extend. Corner to corner, extend, corner to corner, extend. It's very important that the diagonal lines go from right to left. Next, we can set up our problem. We're going to write our 37 on top, being very careful that each digit is directly over a box, times 42. Again, being very careful that our digits are directly to the right of a box. Now we just need to use our basic facts to multiply. In each individual box, we are going to multiply the number directly above and directly to the right of the box. So the top left-hand box will be 3 times 4, which is 12. The tens place above the diagonal, the ones place below. Right next door, 7 times 4 is 28. 3 times 2 is 6. Since there's no tens place, we will just put a 0 as a placeholder, a 6 in the ones place. And finally, 7 times 2 is 14. The next step is to cross out. We are done using those numbers, and if we cross them out, then we won't get confused in the next step. The next and final step is to add our diagonals in order to get our final product. So the diagonals start at the bottom here, which is our ones place. So we're going to add what's inside those red lines, which for this one, it's just 4. Next, in our tens place here, we're going to add in between these blue lines, 8 plus 1 plus 6, which is 15. So we will put the 5 down below and carry the 1 to the next column. Again, just moving along with our diagonals, adding in between them. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0 is 5. And then in our thousands place, we just have a 1. Then if you look right here, this is our final product. 37 times 42 is 1,554. Knowing the lattice method allows you to multiply any size digits as long as your box is big enough.